In this three-part series, we'll take a closer look at B&K Precision's high-speed data acquisition recorder, the DAS1700. If you are new to recorders, we suggest reading our short guide, Why Choose an All-in-One Data Acquisition Recorder. It'll be available for download in the description. Now, let's continue with Part 1. The DAS1700 is an all-in-one data acquisition recorder, which means it comes with everything you need to acquire, visualize, and analyze data. On the top panel, there are 3 slots for connecting the analog measurement boards. A 25-pin connector providing 16 digital inputs, 3 alarms, and 3 low-voltage outputs. A LAN interface for remote access, and 4 USB ports for connecting peripheral devices. On the front panel, the DAS1700 features a 15.6-inch touchscreen display to clearly view measurements in real time or to play back previously saved files. Additionally, a 500 GB internal drive is included standard. Upon ordering, users can select any combination of 3 boards from 4 different types to install. The universal board provides 6 channels with standard 3.5mm banana inputs and can acquire voltage, current, frequency, and temperature measurements from thermocouples. The inputs are rated for 600V Cat3 and can handle a maximum of 500V DC or 424V RMS. This board provides simultaneous acquisition of all channels, a maximum sampling rate of 1 megasample per second, and 14 bits of resolution. The multiplex board is a bit different. This board provides 12 channels with 5-pin connectors and can acquire voltage, current, and temperature measurements from both thermocouples and RTDs. The board supports a maximum input voltage of 50 volts DC and sequential acquisition of all active channels, a maximum sampling rate of 5 kilosamples per second, and 16 bits of resolution. The high voltage board also has 6 channels for acquiring voltage, current, and frequency. These inputs are rated for 1000 volts Cat3 and 600 volts Cat4, supporting a maximum of 1000 volts DC or 1000 volts RMS at 50 Hz. Similar to the universal board, the high voltage board hardware also provides simultaneous acquisition of all channels and a maximum sampling rate of 1 megasample per second with 14 bits of resolution. Lastly, we have the strain gauge board. This board provides 6 channels with 8-pin connectors and can acquire strain gauge measurements from both half and full bridge configurations, in addition to voltage, current, and temperature. The board supports a maximum input voltage of 50 volts and provides simultaneous acquisition of all channels, a maximum sampling rate of 100 kilosamples per second, and 16 bits of resolution. Additional factory options include a battery supporting up to 2 hours of runtime, iRig and GPS input for synchronizing data acquisition between multiple instruments, 4 DB9 connectors for retrieving CAN and LIN serial bus data, a memory upgrade for a 2TB hard drive, and an extension adding 3 slots for a total of 6 boards. The DAS1700 comes standard with an assortment of accessories, including a 25-pin mount connector and back shell to create custom cabling for the digital inputs and outputs, a rugged carrying case to safely store and transport the instrument, bare wire to banana adapters to easily connect small sensor leads to the universal and high voltage board, and a few commodity items such as a stylus, soft wipe, and screwdriver. Be sure to view the next part of this series to learn about the DAS1700's turnkey software and the complete set of features it provides, or to get more information now, visit bkprecision.com. A link to the product page will be listed in the description below.